Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be creating this makeup look that I'm wearing right now on my face. I'm not gonna give too many spoilers away, but basically I had no idea what I was doing. I just completely winged it. I didn't even like look at any pictures before. I literally just bought this palette at Sephora the other day, and this is the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals palette, and it inspired me to do a makeup look completely out of my comfort zone with this palette, just pastel, gradient, fun eyeshadow look. I guess this is kind of pastel. It's more vibrant, but they're like pastel kind of like shades, I guess. I'm not really sure, but I really ended up loving this palette. It was so pigmented. They blended super easily, and oh my god, I just like am obsessed with this palette now. And it's super out of my comfort zone. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and thought that I would try to make a makeup look out of it. So I ended up really kind of vibing with it after, you'll see in the video, but after I put some shimmers on my eyelid. At first I wasn't really feeling it, you know, but I think it finally like came together. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click that bell, and let's get started. Excuse my voice because, as you guys know, I lose my voice about every week nowadays. I don't know if it's just like from when I'm talking a lot. I'm not really sure exactly what it is, but my voice is kind of raspier than normal. So just ignore that. So we are gonna go ahead and get started into this eye look. I'm really freaking nervous for how it's gonna turn out because I've never done a crazy look like this. Not that this is crazy, but it's just so out of my comfort zone, and I'm really excited, and I'm just gonna go for it. Also, I am just doing my eyes in this video. I've already done my face makeup and even like some lip gloss and lip liner, but I might take this all off at the end depending on like what kind of like lip color I want to go for, but I'm not really sure what kind of lip color to like pair with this eye look just because I haven't even done it yet. But this is the palette that I'm gonna be using today. I got this at Sephora the other day, and I wasn't even going into Sephora to buy this. I just happened to see this right when I was like literally about to check out. I was like, you know what? This is so out of my comfort zone. I don't have anything in my makeup collection like this. And I went for it because I wanted to make a video on it for you guys because I haven't done a makeup look in a minute, and I just thought this would be a fun video to film. I've been really into pastel colors recently, as you guys can kind of tell. So this is the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals palette. This is my first Violet Voss product ever, and I'm super excited. So I haven't even opened it up to like look inside. Like, I'm just not prepared for this video, so we're gonna see how it even turns out. I think I know the color scheme I want to go for, but I'm not even sure if I want to do all matte or shimmer. This is what I'm working with today, so I'm so nervous. You guys have no idea. So first off, I'm going to start by priming my lids with this MAC paint pot in the shade Painterly, and I'm going to take a like flat shader brush, I think is what you call this, and prime the whole lid area. You will have to excuse my terminology because I am not a makeup guru by any means, but I am decent at makeup, I would say, so just bear with me here. But you can use any eyeshadow primer, obviously. This is just what I like to use. But yeah, so just to save time, I just decided to show you guys obviously just the eye look, not the face makeup or anything. But if you want like a tutorial on this, this is pretty much my everyday makeup basically, so just let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But just for time's sake, I just want to show you guys the eye look because that's the main focus. So I did clean my brushes. There is some like product on it, but I think it's just stained. I don't think there's any product on it at all. But for the transition area, I think I'm just gonna full send. And I think I'm gonna go in with Jelly Bean, which is this purple color, and I'm gonna focus this on the transition area of my eye, but mainly like on the outer part. We're gonna just hope for the best here, okay? Oh, and the brush that I'm using is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration, and this is the JH32. feel like I need to zoom you guys in. Why did I not do this sooner? Not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to do eyeshadow with eyelash extensions, so just bear with me. So now I'm just gonna take like a clean, fluffy brush, and this is the, I don't even know what you would call this. I don't know, I just use this to like blend my eyeshadow together. So there's like no harsh lines. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration again. This is the JH30. And I'm just gonna like kind of diffuse the product a little bit and like make it a little bit less pigmented, because this is our transition color, so I don't want it to be too vibrant, just a little bit less. I guess that kind of looks okay. So now I'm gonna take another Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush again. This is the JH33. These are very affordable brushes because they are Morphe. And I wanna say this palette was around $42-ish, so kind of a little bit expensive, but I think for Violet Voss it's pretty good. I'm not really sure. I'm honestly just gonna take that same dark purple shade that I did in the transition area and put that, stamp it like on the outer part of my eye, just because that was like the only transition shade that I kind of wanted to go for. But it's also the darkest shade in the palette, so I need something very dark on the outer edge. So I'm just gonna stamp it, and it's gonna obviously appear way more dark when I stamp it versus blend it like I did. See? So it doesn't even look like the transition shade. I don't really know what I'm going for. I guess I'm going for like a gradient pastel look. I'm not really sure yet. This could be a total disaster. I think that looks decent right now. Oh my God. I'm like so scared. And then I'm just gonna clean that brush with this Daily Brush Cleaner by Sephora collection. There's spray everywhere. And I just sprayed on a towel, and then I'm gonna go and clean that brush off. That way I can use it like without having to like use another brush. And that's what the brush looks like now. It's a lot cleaner. Hey guys, so I'm sitting here editing this, and I'm literally like, how did I not see that eyelash that was dangling from my eyeball? So I think it goes away in a few minutes, so just be patient. So sorry about that. Also, my nails look horrible in this video. I just got them done today, which literally, could I have not waited till after I got them done, since I filmed this earlier today? Anyways, continue with the video. I think honestly, I'm gonna go into pink now, just because I just think it'd be a good transition from purple to pink, and then maybe blue. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of freaking out, not gonna lie. We're just gonna go for it. So I'm gonna be going in with the shade Bubblegum, which is this hot pink right here, on that same brush, and just gonna stamp it. Doesn't look too bad. This palette is extremely pigmented. It's literally crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into Blue Raz, which is this dark blue right here on the palette, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the other colors. I look literally crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with Mint Choco, which is this color right here. I'm not even gonna clean my brush just because I can just use the other side and kind of go over that blue a little bit, but more in the inner corner. All right, if I'm being honest with you guys, I probably should have done pink, purple, blue, and then that green, because I did purple and then the pink. That doesn't look too bad, right? Now I'm gonna just take this yellow shade, which is called, it's called Banana right here. And I'm gonna put that in as my like inner corner. So to add some shimmer to that inner corner, I went in with Banana, obviously, but then I went in with Lemon Drop, which is a sparkly yellow. So I'm gonna add some shimmer, I believe. I'm just gonna do it with my fingers. And so like with every matte shade that I went in with, I'm gonna go in with its corresponding shimmer color, just to add some shimmer, obviously. So for Jelly Bean, I'm gonna go in with Grape right here. And I'm just gonna like lightly dab. So then I'm gonna go in with strawberry for that pink right here. This would honestly be good, like, festival look, you know? And then for the blue rash shade, I'm gonna go in with sweet and sour. I really like how the shades is like a gradient, like pink gradient, peach gradient, yellow, teal, blue, purple. Like I really like how they have like the light shimmer, medium shimmer, and then the matte. Like, I don't know, I just think that's really cool. I think this is looking a lot better now that I've added some shimmer. And then last but not least, with that mint choco color, I'm gonna go in with pistachio. I'm not sure how I feel about this eye look. I think it's just like so out of my comfort zone that I'm like, oh my god. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I think I'm gonna go in with Jelly Bean, the one that I used for the outer V in the transition area. And then again on a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, like a lower lash line brush, the JH43. So that's what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and comb through my lashes. And then I'm just gonna put some lower lash line mascara on. This is the Too Faced, I'm not gonna say the word, mascara. I really like this mascara so far. So I'm not really sure what to do for the lips. I already threw on some lip gloss, but I think I'm just gonna put this Dior Lip Maximizer over it. I don't know. I don't really have any crazy lip colors to play around with. So I guess this is as good as it's gonna get. All right, I just zoomed you guys out so you could get a better look of the finished look. I think I like it. It's totally out of my comfort zone and I didn't have this planned at all. I just kind of like literally winged it. Like, I'm not even just saying that. I really like it because it's just really fun and out there. But for a more wearable look, I wouldn't have done the yellow inner corner and I would have maybe done pink and then purple, then the blue. I'm not really sure. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm gonna finish it off with this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist because it's purple and it matches, kinda. Even though it's not actually purple, but you know what I mean. Now the look is complete. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super out of my comfort zone and you guys have been requesting me to do more makeup looks. So here you guys are. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me, whether it's makeup, fashion, vlogs. Let me know any makeup looks you want me to recreate or do. Just let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new here and click that bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to also follow me on all my social medias. They are always linked in the description box below and they are on the screen right here as well. And yeah, I love you guys and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.